The question is, you are provided with 5 solutions labeled as A, B, C, D and E to test them with natural indicators, blue and red litmus papers. You noted down your observations in the table given on below, which is here. Think and answer the following questions. So what are your observations? Let us have a look. This is the solution A, which is converting blue litmus into red. Means this solution has to be acidic. Here you will see that it doesn't show any change in color with red litmus paper. Means it is simply acidic. Again, B is converting blue litmus into red and red litmus into red. So it is also going to be an acid. Then C solution is not turning any change in color with blue, but it is changing its color with red litmus paper. So it has to be a base. Now D does not show any change in color with blue litmus as well as with the red litmus. Means it has to be a salt or a neutral solution. Then E, it is changing its color with blue litmus, which is into red. Means it has to be acidic. So here we are able to see that 3 solutions are acidic, one is basic and the other is salt. So A, B, E are acids, C is a base and D is a salt. Now let's have a look on the answers and let's have a look on the questions and answer them accordingly. Which solution is a base? So we just saw that solution C is a base. So solution C is a base. Which solution is neutral? We just see that solution D is a salt, hence it has to be neutral. How many acids have been tested? We have saw that A, B, E are basically acids. So 3 acids are there. Solution A, B and E. Simple. What would be the color of turmeric paper indicator in solution C? As we know that solution C is a base, hence the color of turmeric paper indicator in solution C is going to be red. C part. Which of the following solutions can be used for neutralization? A and B, B and C, C and D and D and E. We know that for neutralization we can only use acids and base. So one has to be an acid and one has to be a base. So A and B we know both are acids. B and C, yes, B and C can be used for neutralization as B is an acid and C is a base. C and D cannot be used because D is basically neutral, which is a salt, and C is base. Then D and E again, D is a salt and E is acidic. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.